The starving artist. An artist that sacrifices material well-being for artwork to create more art by spending all their money and time devoted to drawing or painting. You don't have to have a lot of money to create art. As you can see here, the idea I had for this was a plate that you eat on, and the definition for a starving artist gave me this idea. So I got my Sharpie pen. You could use a cheaper pen of any kind, a ballpoint or a generic brand, but this is just one that I prefer to use. And I used a paper plate to draw on, and I just created this abstract design. And you don't need expensive paper, you don't need a lot of money. It's all down to you. It's all up to you. If you want to create something, you can create anything with the materials that you have. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're even at in life. It's about being creative. If you've got the drive and the passion to create, you'll find a way to do so. And it's often those of us that weren't given much in life that push themselves the hardest, because we know what it's like to come from nothing and to come so far to be in the position where we are now. And we look back to where we once were, and we're so proud of what we've become at this point that we'll never go back to being that again. And we strive and desire to be our best. So you don't have to give up everything and devote all of your time to it, because at times you'll have more ideas that come into your mind if you just relax. Every subscriber means a lot to me, so please subscribe so I can continue making content just like this. Thank you for watching.